Hey, let me ask you something real quick. When was the last time your living room actually felt alive when you hit play? The first time I set up the JBL Bar 700MK2, I knew instantly who this was for. You're the kind of person who's tired of turning the volume up and still feeling like something's missing. You notice when sound feels flat. You feel it when immersion breaks. And you don't pretend that good enough is still good. Before you go any further, check the current price and availability. Systems like this don't stay stable for long, and stock tends to move in waves. There's usually a moment that pushes you to upgrade. For you, it was probably that scene you replayed twice because the dialogue felt thin. Or the action hit, but the room stayed quiet. You realized you'd outgrown TV speakers and half measures. Once the system replaced your old setup, that frustration disappeared. You stop adjusting settings. You stop compensating. You just relax, because the sound finally keeps up with what you're watching. Movie nights change first. Explosions roll instead of spike. Dialogue locks into the center like someone's actually speaking in front of you. Then sports feel bigger, crowd noise wrapping around the room instead of sitting behind the screen. Gaming sessions pull you deeper, footsteps and movement giving you awareness you didn't know you were missing. Even casual binge watching feels upgraded, like the room itself learned how to perform. It's not about watt numbers or formats. It's the way the sound fills space without effort. The detachable speakers quietly become your favorite part. You don't expect how natural they feel once placed, and how clean everything snaps together when you're done. Take a second to check availability again. Prices on systems like this don't always drop gradually. Sometimes they jump when you're not looking. If you're wondering whether it's too much for your space, that doubt fades fast. The balance is controlled, not overwhelming. You also don't expect how easy daily use feels. No fiddling, no constant tweaking. It just works the way premium gear should. Here's the surprise most people don't talk about. You start choosing what to watch based on sound potential, not just content. That's when you realize the upgrade stuck. The sound wraps the room instead of blasting it. Dialogue stays clear even at lower volume. Bass feels deep without shaking everything apart. Setup feels intentional, not complicated. The system disappears once the movie starts. The detachable speakers need occasional charging. It's not the smallest footprint if space is tight. At some point, comparing becomes noise. You already know which experience you want. Every time you consider something lighter or cheaper, you circle back here. Don't let this turn into one of those upgrades you keep postponing and later wish you'd done sooner. Check the price, check the stock, and trust the instinct that brought you here. Once this is in your room, you won't be thinking about soundbars anymore. You'll just be enjoying everything more.